Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This video we're going to be working on the Lancer again, and as you can see around me, I got a paint booth set up in my garage. So what we're going to be doing is painting the new hood and fender for the car. If you've been watching since the start, you know that the car needed a new hood and fender. So I got them, and instead of getting somebody to paint them for me, I opted out and decided to try and do it myself. And if it works, great, I'll save myself a couple $100. If not, then I'll just have to dish out the money and get somebody to do them for me. But I've watched quite a few videos on YouTube, not saying that that means a lot, and I've watched Chris at B is for Build mess up a lot of paint jobs, and so I kind of know what to do and what not to do. So, I don't know, we'll give it a go and see. I kind of jumped ahead before I even shot this and started sanding the hood down. So I just got to do another sanding with 800 grit. We started with 600 grit dry, then we'll do 800 grit wet, and we'll just scuff and we'll be ready to paint it. The pieces are brand new, so they didn't need any primer. So yeah, should be, we'll see, I guess, see how it goes. So like I said, we'll just 800 wet, and then we'll be good to go. Okay guys, well, I just did one coat, the first coat. That's the first coat I've ever sprayed on anything, and I don't know, I think it might have turned out pretty good. I'm gonna do another coat, probably another 2 coats actually, and we'll see, I guess. Fingers crossed, I don't know. I played with the spray gun a little bit to get the pattern right, so I don't know. I got a ventilation fan behind me here going and stuff, so there's no particles or anything flying around, which is a good sign. So I don't know, we'll see. Fingers crossed. Okay guys, so we got 3 coats on here. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but it looks really, really good in person. Just letting it dry before we do a clear coat. I'm actually kind of impressed with how this is turning out. I mean, it's kind of hard to tell right now, but I mean, tomorrow morning in the daylight you should definitely be able to tell, but the light on the camera makes it deceiving. It looks like there's some splotchiness, but it's actually pretty even. I'm quite impressed. So now we're just hanging this fender, redoing our paint booth here. Now we're gonna paint the fender hanging. But this is turning out pretty good. With all the base coat, and we're just getting ready to pour the clear coat. We cleaned out the gun really well and all that kind of stuff. So for the clear coat here, we got to mix it up. So you got the hardener and you got the clear itself. So you got to mix it 4 to 1, 4 parts clear to 1 part hardener. And I got a little mixing cup here, so there's measurements all along the sides. Your local paint shop will have these. So I'm just going to go ahead and start pouring in. So we got 4 parts to 1. So we got the clear mixed up now, and we're going to spray our fender here. So there's 3 coats of base on here. You let it dry up real well, so mix this up and we're ready to spray it. So here goes nothing. Okay guys, well, we've just finished up spraying the clear. The fender looks really good. The hood, I think it looks pretty good. We're just gonna have to wait for it to dry and see. I hope I didn't spray too much clear on it. I guess we'll just have to wait and see, I guess. But anyway, I think it turned out pretty good, so we'll just have to wait until the morning to find out.